Hi, I'm Glyn Dewis and this is my YouTube channel. So I'm a photographer and best-selling author currently based in Devon in the southwest of the UK. Now each week as I travel around taking photographs and capturing video, I share all kinds of content on this channel going behind the scenes, great photography tutorials and tutorials for software such as Photoshop and Lightroom, plus the occasional honest gear reviews. Click on the subscribe button if you're looking to develop your skills and knowledge and join me as I visit great places and meet some incredible people. Now I'm really happy that you found this channel and can't wait for you to explore the content and see what else I have in store.